So you'll be happy to know this is our final project, and this is the last homework assignment you'll be given for this semester. So our final project will be either a set of stamps or a package design. Let me go to the next slide here. Okay, so the stamps will be 4 stamps, a set of 4 stamps, and they will have perforations, and you will create a theme for your stamps and coordinate a color scheme, and you should use good design. This is a very good design that she has here, and these are lovely, lovely stamps. Okay, so I'm going to go on now and show you how to make your perforations. So to begin with, we're going to make a rectangle. So I'll go to the rectangle tool and make a rectangle. Here we go. And it doesn't matter what size you choose to make it. You can make it any size you like. Just make that just slightly larger. Okay, good. All right, and now I'm going to zoom in on this and go to the ellipse tool, and I'm going to make a small circle by holding my Shift and Alt key down. Oh, let's see, I want to make it about that big. Okay, and give it a different color so you can see what we are doing on this. And I will drag this over and line up the center anchor point with the line of the rectangle. Okay, so now I'm going to make another circle by holding down my Shift and Alt key. And I'll just move that down a little bit. Very good. Okay. Now, what I want is a group of circles that is midway, that is between these. And I'm judging, looking at this, that maybe 15 would be the correct number. So I'm going to double click on my blend tool, and we'll go to, if you don't have specified steps open, here you go to specified steps, and I previously put in 15, and we'll say OK here. All right. So now I'll select both of these circles by holding down my Shift key. There we go. And go to the blend tool, and I'm going to go to the outer anchor point there and click there. And here, so I'm having a little trouble getting right on it. Let's see. There we go. All right. Oh, that's perfect. All right, 15 seems to be the right number for my project. Okay, so I'm going to go and expand that. So I go to Object and Expand. And it is grouped now. And I think I'll just leave it grouped. So now, with this grouped, I'm going to hold down my Shift and my Alt key. And I will make a copy. And it's not quite where I want them. So I'm going to use my arrow keys, my left arrow keys, to move this where I'd like it to be. Let's see if that's about right. We can go to the outline view and see, oh, I need to move that over just a tad. Oh, that's perfect now. Okay, so I have my circles here and my circles there. All right, so I'll go back to the preview view. All right, so now I'm going to make another copy and bring it here and go to the rotate tool and alt click on the center, and I'm going to rotate that 90 degrees. There we go. And here's, place these here. See, it's always good to use your arrow keys. And let's see. We want these so that they center pretty nice. They're comfortably put on. Okay, that looks good to me. All right, and I need to take off some of those because I just don't need them. So I go to the group selection tool and I click and delete the ones I don't want. There we go. All right. And I come back here now to this group and hold down my Shift and my Alt key and make a copy. And there we have it. So I'll select all of these now and go to the Pathfinder panel and go to minus front, and there is our perforations. Very nice. Doesn't that look good? Okay, now I'll put on a rectangle here, draw one, and I'll make this a contrasting color so you can see it. Let me move this. There we go. All right. And now I'll group this. And I'm going to make a copy. I'll grab this corner here. And if I have snap to grid on, it'll make a copy when it's on the point. And there, let's see, I think they might be overlapping a little bit here. They look like they might be. Let's go to the outline view. Yes, they are, just slightly. So I will move this. I see it was on the wrong point. Okay, there we go. And isn't that nice? Well, maybe one more. Move. Okay, there we go. And I'll zoom out a little bit here and grab my point again. And oops, I didn't hold down the Alt key. Naughty, naughty. Okay, I'll hold down the Alt key and the Shift key. And looks like we could move this up just slightly. What you're looking for is for these to butt up against each other. There we go. And being lined up, you see, like that. All right, that looks pretty darn good. And let's change view. Got the preview, and you're all ready to put your designs on. So good luck to you, and those of you who are interested in doing a package design, even if you don't do the package design, you'll want to see how to go about it. So goodbye now.